Have you ever wondered if it's possible to control devices with just your thoughts? Or if we could restore movement to paralyzed individuals? Well, the truth is, these ideas are no longer just science fiction. Thanks to advances in technology, companies like Neuralink are developing brain chips that could make these possibilities a reality. But with this exciting progress come ethical questions and concerns. Join us as we explore the truth about brain chips and their potential impact on our future. Brain chips, enhancing brain function and restoring lost sensory functions. Brain chips, or neural implants, are devices that can be placed inside the brain to enhance or restore its functions. These chips are designed to interact directly with the brain's neurons, allowing for the possibility of restoring lost sensory functions, such as sight, to individuals who have lost them due to injury or disease. The idea behind these implants is to bypass damaged or non-functional parts of the brain and directly stimulate the neurons responsible for processing sensory information. One of the most promising applications of brain chips is restoring vision to the blind. By implanting electrodes in the visual cortex of the brain and connecting them to a camera mounted on a pair of glasses, researchers have been able to create devices that can translate visual information into electrical signals that the brain can interpret as sight. Neural implants work by using electrodes inserted into the brain to record and send electrical signals. These signals are then transmitted to a chip that can relay information to and from the brain, effectively restoring or enhancing brain function. This technology has shown promise for restoring lost sensory functions and could potentially be used to treat neurological disorders or enhance cognitive abilities. One of the main benefits of brain chips is their potential to improve the quality of life for individuals with disabilities. For example, they allow paralyzed individuals to control prosthetic limbs with their thoughts. Additionally, brain chips could be used to monitor and treat neurological disorders such as epilepsy or Parkinson's disease, providing more targeted and effective treatments. The Neuralink N1 and beyond. The Neuralink N1 is a brain chip designed to be implanted into the brain to restore or enhance brain function. The procedure involves placing over 1,000 electrodes into various parts of the brain, with the chip, about the size of a coin, implanted in place of a small part of the skull. This setup allows the chip to be completely invisible from the outside and to charge wirelessly from the surface of the skin. The implantation procedure is performed by a dedicated robot, which ensures precision and safety. The entire operation takes less than 60 minutes and is done under the supervision of medical professionals. The goal of the N1 chip and brain chips in general is to restore lost sensory functions, such as vision, or enhance existing brain functions. One of the main reasons why brain chips are being developed is to potentially cure people with brain-related conditions. For example, someone who has been blind from birth due to a problem with their eyes or optic nerves could potentially regain their sight with the help of the N1 chip. Beyond medical applications, brain chips could also lead to enhanced human capabilities. For instance, they could improve memory, mood control, or even facilitate direct communication between individuals without the need for external devices. This technology could revolutionize how we interact with and understand the brain, opening up new avenues for communication and human potential. A look into Neuralink's human trial phase. Neuralink's human trial phase marks a crucial step in the development of its brain chip technology. This phase focuses on gathering data to ensure the safety and effectiveness of the device while also refining its functionality. Elon Musk recently shared promising initial results, indicating successful detection of neuron spikes. These spikes are vital signals that allow neurons to communicate with each other, enabling essential functions like movement and speech. Initially, Neuralink sought participants with spinal cord diseases, as the spinal cord is a critical part of the nervous system. The goal is to assess how the technology can benefit individuals with neurological disorders, particularly those affecting mobility and communication. The approval for human trials by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in May 2023 was a significant milestone for Neuralink. Despite earlier federal probes into the safety of its animal trials, this approval demonstrates the potential of Neuralink's technology to improve lives and advance our understanding of the brain. Expanding horizons. Neuralink isn't alone in the field of brain-computer interfaces, with around 40 BCI trials currently underway in the United States alone. One notable player is the Australia-based company Synchron, which made headlines by implanting its device in a US patient in July 2022. What sets Synchron apart is its implant, which doesn't require cutting into the skull for installation, potentially reducing risks and complications. While some trials focus on addressing medical needs, such as restoring movement in paralyzed individuals, Musk's Neuralink is aiming for broader applications. Neuralink seeks to enable people to control their smartphones and devices directly with their thoughts, showcasing the company's ambition to revolutionize human-computer interaction. These companies, along with others in the field, are driving forward the development of BCIs, offering hope for groundbreaking advancements in healthcare and technology. Addressing the ethical dilemmas of Neuralink. One concern is the potential for hacking. If BCIs become as ubiquitous as smartphones, they could become targets for malicious actors who could manipulate thoughts, feelings, memories, or even bodily functions. There's also the question of the impact on human identity and agency. As we become more reliant on technology to augment our cognitive abilities, there's a risk of losing what makes us uniquely human. Additionally, the idea of uploading and resurrecting a digital version of oneself after death raises profound existential questions about the nature of consciousness and identity. Furthermore, the economic implications are significant. If BCIs become necessary for certain jobs or social status, there's a risk of creating a two-tiered society where those who can afford the latest upgrades have a significant advantage over those who cannot. Ultimately, the development and adoption of BCIs will require careful consideration of these and other ethical, social, and philosophical issues. It's crucial to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically, with a focus on benefiting humanity as a whole. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. For more content on cutting-edge technologies like brain chips, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of science and technology.